Hello, little friends. Today I have a special story to share with you. It's about a magical rainy day and all the fun and wonders it brings. Are you ready to join me on this adventure? Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town, there was a bright and sunny day. The sun was shining and everyone was happy. But soon something exciting was about to happen. High above the town, the warm sun was working its magic. It warmed up the water in lakes, rivers, and oceans, turning it into tiny droplets called vapor. These droplets floated up, up into the sky. The tiny droplets gathered together and formed fluffy clouds. The clouds grew bigger and bigger until they were full and heavy. Then, one day, the clouds couldn't hold all the water anymore. They decided it was time to share it with the world below. And so, the rain began to fall. The raindrops gently fell from the sky, bringing happiness and joy to everyone. The children in the town were the first to notice. They ran outside with their colorful raincoats and boots, laughing and splashing in the puddles. They made paper boats and watched them float down the streams of water. The plants and the flowers were so happy too. They drank the fresh rainwater and began to grow tall and strong. Beautiful flowers bloomed everywhere, adding colors to the town, and the ducks quacked as they swam in the newly filled ponds. Everyone loved rain. On this magical rainy day, the children found many fun things to do. They jumped and splashed in the puddles, played with their paper boats, and danced under the umbrellas. The rain made everything so much fun. And then, as the rain began to stop, something even more magical happened. A beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. It had so many colors and made everyone smile. And that was the story of a rainy day adventure. Next time it rains, remember all the wonderful things it brings to our world. Bye-bye, little friends, and have a happy rainy day.